Nature's beauty reaches its peak when we see these magical masterpieces of color flying across the sky, the creatures we call birds. Some astonish us with their beauty, some with their intelligence, and others with their rare habits. Today, we will introduce you to some of the most amazing birds in the world, ones that will leave you truly amazed. Bird of paradise. Habitat, New Guinea and nearby islands. Male bird's spectacular feathers and dance. Visuals, male performing mating dance, spreading feathers. Fun fact, the female chooses the male solely based on his dance and the brightness of his feathers. Hummingbird, the smallest bird in the world with the fastest wing movement, ability to hover in place while flying, discussion of metabolism and daily food intake. Visuals, drinking nectar from a flower, slow motion wing beats. Capo, rare, flightless parrot of New Zealand, nocturnal and heavy in weight, conservation efforts to prevent extinction. Visuals, night footage, interaction with scientists. African gray parrot, exceptional intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. Story of the famous parrot Alex, social nature and long lifespan. Visuals, talking parrots, training sessions. Hornbill, unique and impressive beak structure. Distinctive nesting method. Ecological importance. Visuals, eating berries with its beak, nesting video. Kingfisher, blue and orange plumage with incredible hunting skills. Slow motion dive into water, found in various parts of the world. Visuals, hunting, perched on a branch. Albatross, largest wingspan among birds, ability to fly thousands of kilometers without stopping. Life partner concept in their mating habits. Visuals, flying over the ocean, courtship dance of a pair. Harpy Eagle, the most powerful eagle in the world. Hunting skills and fearsome talons, reigning supreme in the jungle. Visuals, catching prey perched on a tree. Willow ptarmigan changes color with the snowy seasons, survival strategies in harsh environments. Visuals, comparison of summer and winter plumage. Puffin, colorful beak and ocean life, known as the sea parrot. Unique breeding methods. Visuals, swimming in the sea, holding fish in beak. Outro. These birds are not just part of nature's beauty. They remind us how colorful and unique life on Earth really is. If we do not protect our environment, these rare birds will only remain in books and videos. Let's pledge to preserve this beautiful gift of nature forever. To stay updated about the world of animals, like our video and subscribe to our channel.